How to add friend on WeChat. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here is a simple updated guide for how to add a friend on WeChat. So let's get started. First of all, launch the WeChat app on your phone and just make sure that you are logged into your WeChat account. Once inside the WeChat app, you can see Invite Friends option available at the top in the green highlights. Now all you have to do is simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see three options available there. If I tap on the email option available there, then you can directly send the WeChat link to any of your friends you want to invite by just tapping on their email address. And if you want to send it through message, then tap on the message and you can simply send this link to your friend and they can be invited to the WeChat. Or else, if you do not find invite friends option available in the green highlights at the top, then all you have to do is go back to the WeChat home screen. And there you can see plus icon available at the top right corner of your screen and simply tap on the add contact or invite friends option available. Now you can see a lot of options available here in order to add your friends or invite your friends. Simply use any of them and they need to accept your request before you can chat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.